Hello friends, you are watching Z Advice. Today I am going to report this beautiful plant. Name of the plant is Pachypodium Lamerei. It is origin from Madagascar, and today I am going to report this plant. So here I am going to use this type of soil mixing. There is 40% of cinder, 20% charcoal, and 20% vermicompost, 10% sand, and 10% coco peat. And I'm going to use a teaspoonful of neem cake powder and bone meal, and here a small amount of fungicide powder. I'm going to use this soil mixing for repotting this plant, and I'm going to use here a 4-inch clay pot, because clay pot is very useful for this plant. So I'm going to mix the soil first. Mix it well. The soil need for Pachypodium Lamerei, it should be very light. I am going to use this clay pot. It is 4-inch height. You can see here there must be a drainage hole here in the bottom side of the pot. So first time I'm going to cover the drainage hole with some bricks. Like this. Here the soil mixing is ready. Very tenderly place the plant. Now it is time to give water. After potting, you have to give water thoroughly with a mixing of fungicide powder. Look, all extra water gone away. After water, you have to keep this plant in bright shady area where direct sunlight is not arrive. After 5 to 7 days, you can keep it direct sunlight. So thank you for watching. Meet you next video.